Okay, let's go through those answers together. So number 1, where can you find the most important texts to read on your course? These will be given to you in a reading list by your lecturer at the start of term. Have you looked at the reading lists for the subjects that you're studying this term? If you haven't, then I suggest that you do that as soon as possible. Question 2. Which search engine contains the most reliable sources for an academic search? The answer to this question is Google Scholar, because it only lists academic texts and journals. And the final question, which domain name is more reliable, .ac or .com? The answer is .ac, because only educational websites that follow strict rules can use this domain name. We're now going to see if you can recognise different types of website. Click on the PDF below this screen to view 4 different websites. Try to match these websites to the descriptions at the bottom of the page. Are any of these sources inappropriate to use for academic research? Can you give reasons for your answer? Pause the recording whilst you complete the activity. It should take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's go through the answers. So source A is from an online newspaper. Now this particular example would be okay to use for academic research because it's from The Guardian. But you do have to be careful because some newspapers are more reliable than others. For more information on this, you can follow the link below this screen. Let's look at source B. Source B is from a personal blog. Now this is not a good source to use for academic research because blogs are often written in a personal style. Source C is from an online journal, and this is exactly the type of source that you should be using in your research. Source D is from an online encyclopedia, Wikipedia, which you've probably used before. This is, again, not a good source to use for academic research because anybody can put anything on Wikipedia. So we can't guarantee that the information that we're reading is reliable. Thank you, that is the end of the video workshop for this week. In the practice activities, we're going to look at evaluating sources in more detail. I'll see you again on this screen in week 3.